Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is April 4th. Can't believe it's already April, but it is. You're starting to see a lot of mentality shift, though, in these markets. Yes, we had this acreage report last week. It was certainly bearish for corn. It was maybe friendly in wheat, maybe more neutral for beans. But we're going to start to see the shift to what's the weather look like? How fast can we get the crop in the ground? We're going to start talking about weather cycles and patterns, and guys are going to be talking about El Nino switching to La Nina. And when will that happen? So that acreage is now done. And now we need to look forward and say, what's next? And so these types of things are what's going to be front running all of the news stories over the next several weeks. I was talking with a guy this morning already saying that down in Missouri, that there's guys that are going to start moving and we're going to start to see some wheels turning and guys starting to get something planted. Great. But over the next few weeks, it will be how fast can the American producer put the crop in the ground? And so we're going to start to see that. So the mentality shift from acreage to now looking at whether or not we're going to get the crop in the ground or yields or whatnot. That weather will play a factor. So whether or not it's too hot or too cold or too dry or too something, that's where our focus is going to be for the grain markets over the next several weeks. The weather conditions and patterns that we have right now are absolutely crazy. If you don't like it, you wait 10 minutes because it changes. But that is what we're in right now. It is April. And so as we move forward, keep in mind, we do have another USDA report on the 12th, so a week from tomorrow. And that will show supply and demand. We're going to see, once again, be reminded of bigger stock numbers. And so as we see that, that may try to cap any or a lot of strength if we continue to see that. As of right now, the markets are reopened. Corn down about a penny, penny and a half. Beans up about a penny, penny and a half, with wheat a little lower as well. So we'll see what we do today and how we finish. But like I said, as we go further, planting pace and weather conditions are the things to watch. Livestock. We've got cattle right now trading about $1 higher. So they opened up about 50 cents higher. We're pushing a little bit stronger. Cash market, cash traded 133, 134 last week. Box beef certainly lower on Friday. Choice down 188, select down 355, but certainly shaking that off today, hoping that we're going to see some higher trade for cattle, and we'll see if we do. Hogs are up about 35 cents. That April contract really likes to be right around that $70 area. We are below that right now. We'll keep an eye on that, but may get a little strength out of the hogs here as well. Cutout values were up 20 cents on Friday. Stock market right now down about 18 points, a little lower today to start the week. Crude oil pulling back. We're down about 10 cents for crude oil with the dollar down about 15. But give us a call. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538. Or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.